Hey guys, it's Story Debbie. I'm going to do an unboxing and review of this 14-inch touchscreen monitor. This is a 1080p monitor with USB-C ports, two USB-C ports, and also one mini HDMI port. Now, this is a touchscreen monitor, which is really cool. The reason why is because the USB-C cable actually powers it, as well as it acts as input. So you actually select between the USB-C ports, either one, and also the HDMI. It does come with all the cables you ever need for it, and also a power supply, which is really cool. It does require like a 5-volt USB-C power, and at like I think 2 or 3 amps. So it's pretty efficient in terms of using power. It does have the headphone jack, USB ports, as well as USB-A port, and also a volume and on-screen display menu button too. On the bottom are really rubber feet, which is really cool. What I really love about this is actually the cover, because the cover actually covers the entire thing and acts as a stand for it, and it's also glued on. Now, I did see some imperfections on this, and it's with the adhesive when they actually got this out. But it's under the protective cover, the adhesive was still there, but I used a little bit of rubbing alcohol and it removed it very easily. So it wasn't really an issue. The screen itself is beautiful, and the projection is great too. The cover is nice too because it's glued on, like I said, and it has this nice carbon fiber look to it, and it's very sturdy. You notice that the touchscreen is glossy compared to my other 13-inch external monitor that has a sleeve on it, and that's actually matte because it's not a touchscreen. I really do like the sleeve on this touchscreen one because it's actually glued on, so I don't lose it. It doesn't fall off. It's not magnetic or anything, which is great. And it's actually extremely portable. And it's only 14 inches, so it's just the right size to put in my backpack. Now, using Samsung DeX, which is basically I use my Samsung as my portable laptop for many things, it's really great because what you could do is you just basically plug the USB-C right into it, and it's actually very lightweight, so you could travel with this. Compared to that to my 13-inch monitor, it also works too, but not as well as this because of the touchscreen. So I can actually type in use the touchscreen and type in the thing, and it's actually very useful. I could see other applications for this very in the future. So other than that, it does work with my Xbox. I do like the stand again, and it does work with my laptop. You could plug it in through USB-C or the HDMI port, which is great. But yeah, overall, this is my go-to for my external monitor. I did have a problem with the USB power. The power supply actually failed after about, I think, 8 or 10 hours. So that's roughly like a few days in. So I basically contacted the company. I haven't got a response back, but at the same time, I'm powering up with, actually I just power up from my laptop or with another USB power supply. Like again, you can power over with pretty much any USB power, which is really cool. Anyways, I've been playing with it with my my Xbox 360 as well as my my monitor, my other laptop and stuff. So it's been working out very well. So I like the fact that all the inputs are on one side and all the other buttons are on there, and you can actually switch between the USB-Cs as well as the HDMI, which I thought was very useful. Like I said, this generic USB power supply did fail after around 10 hours, so I think that's what a lot of the complaints were. But of course, to be honest, I have plenty of those USB things, and overall the monitor is great. And it works really well with my workflow and everything else, and the fact that it's a touchscreen is even better. Anyways, guys, this is Story Dev. I hope this review was helpful to you, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.